Are there specific age limits for child labor laws in business? Imagine a young person eager to earn some money, but laws are in place to keep them safe and in school. Child labor laws set clear rules about how young someone can work and what jobs they can do. These rules are part of federal laws called the Fair Labor Standards Act, or FLSA. The FLSA generally says children under 14 years old cannot work in non-agricultural jobs. For kids aged 14 and 15, they can work, but only in certain jobs that are not dangerous. They also have limits on how many hours they can work, especially on school days. Kids aged 16 and 17 can work longer hours and do more types of jobs, but they are still not allowed to do hazardous work. Once someone turns 18, they are no longer protected by child labor laws and can work in any job, including dangerous ones. There are some exceptions. For example, children as young as 12 or 16 can work in agriculture under specific rules. Some states like California have stricter laws, requiring work permits and limiting hours during school weeks. If a parent or guardian employs a minor, there are some exemptions, but hazardous jobs are still off limits for anyone under 18. Certain industries like entertainment have special permits that allow younger minors to work under strict rules. For businesses, it's important to check the age of any young worker and follow both federal and state laws. Employers often need to get work permits for minors and keep records of them. They must also restrict the hours and types of work based on age to avoid fines or legal trouble. For example, a 14-year-old can work in retail or restaurants but cannot operate heavy machinery or do dangerous construction work. Violating these laws can lead to hefty fines and harm the company's reputation. In short, child labor laws set specific age limits and rules to protect young workers' health, safety, and education. Employers need to stay informed about federal standards and their state laws, manage permits properly, and monitor work conditions. This way, they ensure young workers are safe and legal to work.